on the AAC production line. Mold cleaning is no trivial task. Clean molds are essential to ensure stable green body quality and maintain a smooth production rhythm. Today, let me show you how KEDA SureMaker's latest mold cleaning machine helps customers handle mold cleaning with ease. It not only cleans quickly, but is also highly environmentally friendly. Equipped with a waste absorption and recycling system, it can reach deep into the mold cavity, thoroughly suck up waste, and convert it into slurry for reuse. This both reduces waste emissions and saves raw materials, delivering environmental protection and cost savings at the same time. Its movement and lifting rely on powerful servo motors combined with gear plus rack drives, ensuring smooth operation and precise positioning. Both mold car entry, exit, and mold cavity cleaning can be completed in a very short time, significantly enhancing production efficiency. Despite its smooth operation, the technical requirements are in fact very demanding. A full cleaning cycle, including mold car entry, exit, cavity cleaning, and waste absorption, discharge, can be completed in under 3 minutes. Specifically, mold car entry, exit, 40 seconds. Cleaning, 100 seconds. Waste absorption cycle, under 1 minute. Absorption head lifting, lowering, 10 seconds each. Fast and steady, it maximizes production efficiency. Efficient, precise, and environmentally friendly. KEDA SureMaker's mold cleaning machine makes every mold cleaning process effortless and worry-free.